Beer belly, back pain problems, and cellulite in the thighs are just a few of many problems with excess weight. We are also finding it hard to lose some of the excess fat built around the belly. Belly fat is linked to an increased risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular diseases. Numerous studies have linked obesity with type 2 diabetes. According to one study published in the journal Health magazine, excess belly, excess fat, is a prominent factor in sudden heart failure. What can you do now to reduce belly fat, risk of heart failure, and blood pressure? Step number 1 is to use detoxification. With a detox, you could actually have homemade bedtime drinks and a few healthy eating habits which can help you eliminate toxins and cancer-causing compounds and improve your body absorption power. This beverage will boost your metabolism, immunity, and the capacity of energy to help digest the food that you eat before you go to bed. Benefits of detoxifying drinks. Planned detoxification promotes fat burn and increased blood flow in the veins. In this video, we share with you a groundbreaking recipe that will burn belly fat quickly to give you a flat stomach, clear gut, and quality sleep at night free from snoring. Many happy couples who used this bedtime drink before have called it an overnight liquid bomb, and it will help you reduce belly fat, lose weight, or diminish cellulite in the back of your thighs and your bum. This great drink is a natural homemade delicious drink and is healthy, and at the same time is also a great solution for burning the stubborn belly fat. This drink is easy on the eye, very simple for you to prepare, yet so powerful in getting rid of unwanted toxins inside your body. So how can you make the bedtime drink to reduce belly fat, diminish cellulite, and reduce risk of heart diseases? Just put all the ingredients in a blender and mix them until you get a homogeneous mixture. Drinking it just before every meal on a daily basis will give you an amazing weight loss results, and these results should start to appear in as little as a few days from the time you start drinking it. Countless of women who consumed this drink consistently said that they lost about a centimeter of their waistline right away. If you have been looking for how to lose belly fat overnight drink, how to lose belly fat overnight for men, how to lose belly fat overnight, even if you've been out looking for how to lose belly fat overnight without exercises, then this is the solution you've been looking for. This is your best recipe for belly fat burning and weight loss by far. It will not only slim you down, but it will also improve your health. With just regular consumption of it for 1 week, you will start seeing amazing results. On top of that, this drink, you should also be able to do a total clean out of your gut, much like the vacuum does to your home. And if you do this as often as you can, it improves your stomach lining as well. No wonder many users are calling it #1 lose belly fat drink, because it removes excess fat. It also gets rid of water and extra fat below the waist. And this is not all. It also helps you to effectively improve the brain functionality. It improves the vision, boosts the memory, it supports the hearing, and it's a perfect drink for reducing the waistline. Why this drink works? Every time you go to bed and fall asleep, naturally the metabolism works at a much slower pace than when you are awake. What this drink does is to keep the fire burning, and it helps you boost your metabolism activity by putting in an overdraft mode, which burns calories on an insane rate. This all happens while you are still sleeping, and the best part is it's delicious and easy to make from home. Ingredients and how to make this drink. You will need 1 lemon. Lemons may look like an underdog in the eye. However, their immense health benefits will shock you. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and are famous for giving your metabolism an absorption boost. You also need a cucumber. Health benefits for cucumbers are also huge, and they are an amazing antioxidant agent, potent ingredient for weight loss and fat burning, especially around the waist. Cucumbers are also highly effective in eliminating water retention in the body tissues. Lymph nodes in your body are activated when you drink this bedtime miracle drink, and the level of water in your belly dramatically drops. You also need a tablespoon of grated ginger. Health benefits of ginger are that it's a super spice which is also known for firing up your metabolism and supports a healthy digestive system. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. As the aloe vera juice are enormous, and in fact, this aloe vera juice is known for being an excellent antioxidant that delays the development of free radicals that cause inflammation and bloating. When you drink this miracle drink, which contains this cocktail, you will benefit from all dimensions. You also need a fresh bunch of parsley and cilantro. Health benefits of parsley are priceless. Parsley is low in calories and loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are super effective at easing water retention and soothing an inflamed tummy. The process and method of preparing the drink. Add all of the listed ingredients in the blender and blend on a high speed until you make an excellent juice pop. Drink the juice before bedtime, rinse and repeat for weeks to come, and you will notice the transformation. This miracle bedtime drink also works better when you combine with easy to do workouts at home, which will require no piece of gym equipment. These easy to do workouts at home include goblet squats, bicycle crunches, dead bug crunches, and many more. Crunch exercise workouts are core, hips, and waist at the same time. Complementing your bedtime drink, the diet with the right kinds of exercise given, you have a fair shot at getting a smaller waist, flat stomach, and reduced belly fat, which will help you achieve this goal. Regular cardio exercises and strength training without equipment will also help you get the tiny waistline, bigger hips, and a flat tummy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this information was helpful. And if you liked what you found in this video, please share and like our video. Thank you.